Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this module, we'll talk about overview of programming and Java language. The top 20 questions for overview of programming and Java language. Question number 1. What is programming and why is it important? Programming is the process of designing, writing, testing, and maintaining computer software. It is important because it is used to create everything from the apps to on our phones to the software running on our computers and servers. Question number 2. What are the main programming paradigms and how do they differ from one another? The main programming paradigms include procedural, object-oriented, functional, and logical programming. They differ in how they organize and structure code. Question number 3. What is the difference between compiled and interpreted programming languages? Compiled programming languages are translated directly into machine code, while interpreted languages are executed line by line at runtime. Question number 4. What are some of the most common programming languages with their main features? Some of the most common programming languages include Java, Python, C++, and JavaScript. Java is known for its portability, Python for its simplicity and ease of use, C++ for its performance and low-level control, and JavaScript for its popularity in web development. Question number 5. What is an algorithm and how do programmers use it? An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure for solving a problem or accomplishing a task. Programmers use algorithms to design and implement software solutions. Question number 6. What are variables, data types, and control structures, and why are they important in programming? Variables are used to store data in memory. Data types define the kind of data that can be stored, and control structures are used to direct the flow of program's execution. They are important in programming because they allow programmers to store, manipulate, and use data in their programs. Question number 7. What is object-oriented programming and how does it relate to Java? Object-oriented programming is a programming paradigm that emphasizes the use of objects, which are instances of classes that encapsulate data and behavior. Java is an object-oriented language, which means that it is designed to work well with object-oriented programming techniques. Question number 8. What is the inheritance in Java and how does it work? Inheritance is a mechanism in object-oriented programming that allows a class to inherit properties and methods from another class. In Java, this is done using the extends keyword. Question number 9. What are interfaces and how are they used in Java? An interface is a collection of abstract methods that define a set of behaviors. In Java, interfaces are used to specify a contract that classes must follow. Question number 10. What is polymorphism and how does it relate to Java programming? Polymorphism is the ability of an object to take on many forms. In Java programming, polymorphism refers to the ability of objects to respond to messages in different ways, depending on their type. This allows developers to write generic code that can work with objects of different types, without having to know their specific types in advance. Question number 11. What is an array in programming and how is it used in Java? An array is a collection of elements of the same type that are stored in contiguous memory locations. In Java, arrays are used to store and manipulate collections of data. Question number 12. What is a function in programming and how is it used in Java? A function is a block of code that performs a specific task. In Java, functions are defined using the public static keyword. Question number 13. What is multithreading and how is it used in Java programming? Multithreading in Java programming. Multithreading is the ability of a program to run multiple threads simultaneously. In Java, threads are implemented using the java.util.concurrent package, which provides a framework for managing multiple threads. Multithreading can improve performance by allowing multiple tasks to be performed simultaneously, rather than one task at a time. Question number 14. What is synchronization and how is it used in Java programming? Synchronization is the process of controlling access to shared resources in a multi-threaded program. In Java, this is achieved through the use of synchronized methods and blocks. Question number 15. What is reflection and how is it used in Java? Reflection is a feature in Java that allows a program to examine and modify the behavior of objects at runtime. It provides a way to inspect classes methods, fields, and interfaces at runtime and dynamically invoke them. Reflection can be used to create generic code that can work with classes that are not known at a compile time, as well as to develop testing and debugging tools. Question number 16. What is serialization and how is it used in Java? Serialization is the process of converting an object state into a byte stream, which can then be transmitted over a network, stored in a file, or saved to a database. In Java, serialization is achieved through the serializable interface and the object output stream and object input stream classes. Serialization is used to save the state of an object and to transmit objects over the network. Question number 17. What are design patterns and how are they used in Java? Design patterns are reusable solutions to commonly occurring problems in software design. In Java, design patterns are typically implemented as classes or interfaces. There are many design patterns that can be used in Java programming, such as the singleton pattern, the factory pattern, and the observer pattern. Design patterns can improve the modularity, maintainability, and extensibility of software systems. Question number 18. What are annotations and how are they used in Java? Annotations are metadata that provide additional information about a program structure, such as classes, methods, and fields. In Java, annotations are represented by the @ symbol and can be used to define custom attributes, to provide documentation, and to enable the compiler to detect errors. Annotations can be used to simplify and automate the development of code, as well as to improve its readability and maintainability. Question number 19. What is dependency injection and how is it used in Java? Dependency injection is a programming pattern that involves injecting the dependencies of a class from an external source, rather than creating them inside the class itself. In Java, dependency injection can be achieved through the use of frameworks such as Spring and Juice, which provides a mechanism for managing and injecting dependencies. Dependency injection can improve the flexibility, modularity, and testability of software systems. And here we are for the final question, question number 20. What are some of best practices for Java and how can common challenges be overcome? Some best practices for Java programming include using meaningful variable names, following a consistent coding style, minimizing the use of global variables, and writing clear and concise comments. Other best practices include using interfaces to define contracts, encapsulating data, and minimizing the use of exceptions. Common challenges in Java programming include memory management, concurrency, and performance optimization. These challenges can be overcome by using tools such as profilers and thread analyzers, following best practices, and applying optimization techniques such as caching and lazy installation. Additionally, continuous learning and keeping up with the latest developments in Java can help developers overcome these challenges. And that's it from our module 2. So let's code your way to the future with technology. Thank you.